Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you write an opinion essay. The driving age. The first and one of the most important things is the opinion essay structure, the order we need to write and what we need to write in each part. So you can see there are 4 parts to this opinion essay. We have an introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and a conclusion. You could have a 3rd or 4th body paragraph also if you like, but this is a 4-paragraph opinion essay. So in the introduction, there's 2 things we need to do. We need to present the background, so the general information about our topic. This should be only 2 to 3 sentences, no more. A lot of people put too much information for the background. And then the different views or opinions that people have about your topic. So it's a good idea to present 2 different positions or 2 different opinions about your topic here. You do not put your opinion in the introduction. In body paragraph 1, this is where you state your opinion. This is the first sentence of your paragraph. And then you need to give one of your reasons why do you think this? Why is this your opinion? And then for that reason, you need to provide evidence and supporting statements to make your reason very strong. Then body paragraph 2, you would say what is your second reason for your opinion? And again, you need to add 2 or 3 or maybe even more for a bigger essay, supporting statements, evidence, examples of why this is important. Don't add more reasons. If you want to add a 3rd reason, add a 3rd body paragraph, and then again you need to support that idea. Then your final paragraph is your conclusion, and we start this with restating our opinion about the topic, and then we need to summarize those reasons why. So these should be the reasons you've already discussed in your body paragraphs. So first, let's look at our opinion statement that we are writing our essay about. The legal driving age should be 21. So I need to introduce this topic. So you can see I've got my structure for my introduction where I give the background and people's views on this. So here's an example of the background. So it's only short and it's the general information. So I've introduced the idea about people driving at a very young age because we're talking about the driving age and 21. And then I've also introduced that in some places people as young as 16 can take a driving test and get a license. So the general information about why we are talking about this legal driving age. Then we need to present the different views. So I introduce first that people have different opinions about this, and then in the last sentence I'm giving 2 different opinions. Some feel that 16 is too young, and others think the age is not a problem because why? So that is a good example of our introduction. It's not too much information, it's general idea about the legal driving age, and then presenting different opinions. So next we move to our body paragraphs. So we're going to write 2 body paragraphs, and you can see the structure there. So body paragraph 1 starts with your opinion. So I've made a statement about my opinion and being under 21 is too young. And then I need to give my first reason. Why do I think this? So my first reason I say is most teenagers are still very young and do not think before they act. Reason number 1 for my opinion. Then I need to give examples and details about this idea of teenagers being very young and not thinking before they act, so that I have a strong paragraph. So I add here that teens do not think like adults, and sometimes do silly things without thinking. So I'm giving details for my opinion. And then staying with the same idea about being very young and not thinking, I add a second statement so that that reason number 1 is strong. Then we move to body paragraph 2 and my next reason why. So being able to think fast is important. Yeah, that's my reason number 2. And because accidents, so thinking fast and accidents is reason number 2. And then again, I need to write some sentences that make this idea strong. So then I've added here about the brain development, yeah, and being able to think quickly. Then I add a second one giving some details about the amount of accidents that happen. So that makes my reason number 2 a strong reason. I'm giving supporting statements and evidence so that my reasons have strength. You could add a body paragraph 3 and a body paragraph 4 to have 4 different reasons why and supporting statements for them. And we're going to move to the conclusion now. So you can see what we need to do here in our conclusion. So I'm restating my opinion firstly. So what do I think? I've written it a little bit differently to body paragraph 1 because I don't want to repeat. And then I need to summarize my reasons why. So I've written body paragraph 1, my main idea, but in a different way so I'm not repeating. And then I add body paragraph 2 about accidents and being safer for young drivers to summarize my reasons why. So let's look at all of our essay together. So first we have the introduction. We introduce the background information about the topic, and we introduce that people have different opinions and give 2 different opinions, not your opinion in this paragraph. Then we have our body paragraph 1. So this is where we start with our opinion and we give our first reason why we think this. So you can see here, firstly, and we say my reason number 1, they are still very young and do not think before they act. My reason number 1. Then I support this reason, so I talk about, well, how are teenagers young? Yeah, they do not think like adults and, you know, do silly things sometimes, supporting the idea that they are very young and they don't think like adults. Then I do a second statement here, that they can do dangerous things. And why do they do this? So their friends think they are funny or cool. Yeah, showing again that they are still very young and they do not think before they act. I could add further supporting statements to this to make an even stronger, better paragraph. Then body paragraph 2, so I introduce my second reason why I think what I think about the driving age. So I talk about being able to think fast is important because road conditions can change and accidents. So my second reason why I think this for the driving age, and then again the rest of the paragraph supports that idea, that reason why. So I talk about the brain and how it develops. Reason number 1, why they're not able to think fast and make good decisions. And then reason 2, we talk about the number of accidents that happen with this age group. So I'm only supporting the reason for this paragraph. I don't add more reasons why. I need to give evidence and make statements so this paragraph is nice and strong. And again, you could add 2, 3, 4 more reasons about thinking fast and accidents for young people on the roads to make a stronger paragraph. And you can add a body paragraph 3 and add another reason why you feel this and support it. We could do body paragraph 4 for a longer essay. The last paragraph we have is our conclusion. So here we restate our opinion, but we need to state it in a different way. So we're not repeating what we said in the paragraph 2. Okay, we're saying the same things, but we're using different words to say this. And then I summarize my arguments why I feel this. So you'll see here that I restate my opinion and we talk about the need to mature before they start. So this is talking about being young. Make better decisions. So we're thinking when they're driving. The roads will be safer. Reduce the number of accidents. So it's the same ideas from my body paragraph 1 and 2, but I need to rewrite them so I'm not repeating. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.